Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you how to install and download Claude desktop right inside your PC or laptop. So you have visited this Anthropic Claude AI website. So they do offer their desktop client as well, where you can actually download this inside your PC or laptop. So if you just type on Google right here, download Claude desktop, the very first link which comes right here, this is from their official website. So here you can simply click on this link, and it's available for Windows, Mac operating system as well. So simply select the operating system and simply download the exe file. So once the file is downloaded, you can actually install this software on your machine. So it will be a simple desktop app. So once it is downloaded, this comes with the exe file for Windows. So simply run this file, and so the setup will run here. You will see it is installing Claude right in as a desktop app. And if you're running it for the very first time, you just need to sign in with your Google account. I have already done that. So now you can see the interface looks the same here with of the website, but now it's installed as a desktop app. So you don't need to go to the website to access Claude. So here you can just ask any sort of question here, and you will get the response right here itself. You can just minimize, maximize like this. So you can install it as a desktop app. So you will just get the free restrictions here. So after some time, so this is all free here. It is generating the response. We are asking questions as a prompt here. So I've given this link in the description of the video. You can simply go to Claude AI/download. So this is their desktop app. You can even scan the QR code as well to download. So it shows your live preview here. You can see how the application it made here, and you can test it out like this. If you want to start a new conversation, simply go to the menu here, and here you can start a new conversation. You can even change the settings as well. You can Claude settings, you will see, you can configure this. You can change the billing account here, all this upgrade plan, all these things you can do right here in the menu itself. You will see that. So in this easy way, you can install this Claude official desktop client for Windows. You can download, install it, and start using it. It basically shows all the recent chats of your inside Claude right in the desktop chat here. You can even click this option right here to start a new conversation. So we have all these Claude options right in the desktop app as well. So in this easy way, you can do this. Just ask any sort of question here, and it will. So definitely install it and start using it as your desktop app. This Anthropic Claude AI code assistant, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.